You guys know what Z28 means. A lot of people do. The die-hard Chevy guys, they know what it is. It's the package code for the Trans Am cars. But what a lot of people don't realize is the same year SS350 Camaro is a Z27. But they didn't put that on the side of the car, so most people don't know that. They just use the package name as the name of the car. And obviously this car is well put together. It's in a really beautiful color too. And the motors in these things, man, they were DZ302 is what they called them. And man, did they wind up. And my favorite car guy in the world, Larry Shinoda, a Japanese immigrant, he designed the second generation Corvettes with Zora Arca Stunthoff, but he also designed the 69 Z28. So this is all Shinoda design work in these cars. And in 69, they won the Trans Am Championship. So the next year was the Ford Boss 302 in 1970. Let's see if I can pick it up here. Oops. Yeah, that was kind of difficult. But there it is. Estimated 290 horsepower. But these are little strokers and pretty much similar right along to, wow, look how well that's done. Right along like the Boss 302s, these little V8s, man, they were monsters, man. Real high revving. 7 grand. This is not your street brute muscle car. This is your high-end road racing car, European style. And looks like they got the correct markings and everything in there. Very nicely done car here. If you like something that's really done well and probably has some pedigree, let's go see what we got here. Let's take a look at the particulars. There's your VIN. Yep, real X33, Z28. X33 are your stripes on the car. Date correct, high performance, DZ302. 373 posies in there, so you can, pretty good for the street, but not super highway friendly, but neither are 410s or 456s, but anyway, I digress. Front disc brakes, cowl hood induction. Boy, this is a nice one. All the trim has been done. I mean, it's really, really well done car. So if this goes up into the books a little bit, you're just going to have to expect that, but I encourage anybody that's interested in this car to come and actually probably inspect it. But if you just take a look at the type of work that's been done in there, it appears to me to be a very well done car. And Trans Am Championship Racing has always been the apple of my eye, which is why I like these cars. The Boss 302s, the AAR Cudas, the TA Challengers, all the Trans Am packaged muscle cars. They ring my bell. So there you have it, Gauze Garage. Thanks for tuning in. This is at Ideal Classic Cars, South Venice, Florida.